back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I want to share with you some happy mail that I received over the holidays. Sorry that I'm a little bit late in sharing this with you, but I had a procedure and then I had a rest from it, and then then Christmas happened. And so yeah, let's go ahead and go right with it. Now the first thing that I want to share with you is this absolutely gorgeous card that Maxine, one of my team members, made for me. And oh my gosh, when I opened it and I saw the cutest die cuts, I was like, yay, 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 yay. So now, Maxine, you have inspired me to create a cooking paper collection. Would y'all like to see a cooking paper collection? Just let me know. Leave me a yes or no in the description. Why do I keep saying description? In the comment section below. And you know what? I take requests. If there's something that you're interested in seeing me doing as far as the paper collections are concerned, let me know what you would like to see, And so, yeah, this is so cute, absolutely cute. So, yeah, I love cooking stuff and sugary stuff and stuff like that. And so anyhow, she sent the gingerbread love, and I love these stamps. I want to know where these stamps come from. So this is the pocket. I like how she made this. Look, this is a card, right? Okay, and made by Maxine, and I'm going to leave Maxine's YouTube channel in the description down below, so y'all can go ahead and subscribe to her and say hi. Yeah, Sandy sent me over. And so let's see what her card says. Sandy, I hope that this card finds you and your husband are doing well. Well, thank you so much, because some of you may know my husband this year had to go through 3 brain surgeries. And so, yeah, he's doing absolutely fine. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. You are such an awesome friend, crafter, owner of your company. You are so inspiring. You work full-time. Send merry mail to friends. What an amazing person. Oh, thank you so much, honey. I do it because it makes me happy. If anything, is there a reason behind it? Everything that I do? Yeah, because it makes me happy. I love it. I love doing stuff like that, It's good for the soul. It gives me a happy heart. And yeah, that's why I love sharing stuff with everyone. And so, yeah, thanks for everything. Always sending prayers for a healthier life. Oh, thank you so much. And success in everything you do. Love, Maxine. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Maxine. Love, she says, eat, drink, and be merry. Oh, yeah. Speaking of be merry, let's see. Oh, let me show you something. Let me show you what I got for Christmas. Jose Cuervo. What is better than chocolate truffles and liquor? And these are kind of like these are strong, okay? This one, if you like somebody who likes liquor in their chocolate, this is good to get for those who really, really like liquor, okay? Now, my favorite before all the meds and everything else was Bailey's Irish Cream. And so they gave me a Bailey's, and this is like a Bailey's truffle. This is very light. And I love it because I'm a chocolatier fanatic, chocolataholic, okay? I really rather taste the truffle than the liquor. That's me. So, the amount of liquor that they put in this, it's very, very mild. So you can still taste the Bailey's Irish Cream, but, you can taste the chocolate even further, and it's such a delicious mix. Oh my God. Look what I'm using. I'm using my little project from Anna. What's her? Anna's Crafts Creations or something. Anyways, if you want to make something like this, I will go ahead and leave you a link to that in the description down below, and I will leave you a coupon code. Yes, use it or lose it. So anyways, oh my gosh, this is so yummy. Watch. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Okay. So, Maxine, you know I'm being Mary. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Excuse me. So yeah, put that away. So thank you, Maxine. Make sure that you go over there and sub to her channel. Sorry. So now, this is Happy Mail, Merry Mail from Rhonda. Oh! Oh my gosh, I almost caught myself. Come on. Oh, that's the wrong one for this. I have butterfingers. When my grandma, because she had a lot of arthritis, problems with arthritis and everything. Let me not use this one. She used to call herself, she used to say, tengo manos de trapo. She used to get mad at herself and say, ay, sí que tengo manos de trapo. That means my hands are just like dish rags, you know. They have the strength of dish rags, I guess. I don't know, you lose something in the translation. Anyways. And that's how I've been for the past year or so, with manos de trapo. That's me. Okay. Oh my goodness. And Rhonda's channel, I forget what her channel is, but anyways, she makes journals. She does tutorials. Journal tutorials. That's her niche. Okay, journaling, journals, handmade journals and everything. And she goes step by step by step by step. So if you like to learn how to make journals, which I do, you know, sub to her channel and create some journals. Oh God, I hope this is a journal. Okay, I'm like a kid when it comes to opening up packages. Ah! Learn how to do this. Oh my God, she made me a journal. Okay. So, thank you. Look at this. Look how she made this. Look. Oh my gosh. See, I bought just about everything that I need for a journal, and I have yet to use them. I have that. Where did I put it? What did I do with it? I know it's like right here somewhere. Okay. Well, it's not right here right now, but I even have these. I don't know what you call these. But, oh my gosh, look at the circles that she made. These are so cute. These are so cute. You know how I can see this used like in a dangly thing, like dangle, 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 dangle. Yeah, that's an idea. Thanks for the idea. And so, let's go ahead and, oh my gosh. Oh, this comes out. No, she tied it real good. Okay, I want to learn how to make, look at this. I want to learn how to make that. How do you make that? Oh my gosh. And I've seen some ladies put beads. That's what I want to do. I want to make the ones in which you put the beads, because I got a ton of beads, okay? Oh my gosh. And yeah, I want to do that. Oh my gosh, she used this collection. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. For unto you is born this day in the city of David. Oh my gosh, a savior. Does that say a favicon? A savior. Oh my gosh. Which is, I think, the Jose Cuervo's day, I think already know. Is Christ the Lord, Luke 2:11. Merry Christmas, Sandy, from Rhonda Fox, 12/20/23. Oh, look it. Oh my gosh, girl. I just watched her video not 5 minutes ago. Before I did the setup, I was watching videos and I subscribed. Of course, I'm subscribed to her. I commented on her video and I said, what a lucky subscriber. Because she was talking about one of her subscribers who's always commenting on her videos is getting this, or one of her journals. And I was